Did you know that incorporating water with lemon into your daily routine can contribute to weight loss, detoxify your liver, and reverse the accumulation of fat in this organ? In addition, it can reduce cholesterol levels, act as an anti-aging agent, eliminate kidney stones, improve iron absorption, beneficial for those with anemia or who follow a vegetarian diet, protect eye health, fight intestinal parasites, promote digestion, and reduce postprandial flatulence. It has also been associated with improving sleep and preventing certain types of cancer. First advantage: regularly consuming lemon water has the potential to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. This is because lemon contains phytonutrients that contribute to cleansing and improving liver function. Lemon water also stimulates fat metabolism, facilitates the detoxification of insulin levels after meals. And recent studies indicate that lemon extract can induce lipolysis in adipocytes. That is, it appears to infiltrate cells to eliminate and purify fat from the organs. Second advantage: it can contribute to the reduction of cholesterol by increasing the flow of bile through the bile ducts. This process helps eliminate excess cholesterol accumulated in our body. By eliminating cholesterol, better digestion of the fats we consume is promoted, and more efficient absorption of various vitamins is achieved. Also, as an additional piece of advice, if despite consuming water with lemon and maintaining healthy habits and diet, problems such as fatty liver or high cholesterol levels that are difficult to control persist, there's a trick to make the most of each lemon. According to the latest research, a highly potent substance called oxitpero has been identified. Third advantage: contributes to the weight loss process. The help to lose weight through the consumption of water with lemon is due to its low calorie content, since half of a squeezed orange contains twice as many calories and 3 times more sugar, despite offering almost the same amount of vitamin C as a squeezed lemon. In addition, lemons are practically free of fructose, which avoids possible metabolic complications. When drinking water with lemon, the liquid fills the stomach, generating a feeling of fullness. Drinking a glass of water with lemon before meals can help you feel full more quickly, increasing the feeling of fullness and reducing food intake. The citric acid present in lemon slows gastric emptying, prolonging the stay of food in the stomach, which facilitates better digestion and delays the return of hunger. In addition, by opting for water with lemon, you avoid the consumption of sugary drinks, alcohol, and soft drinks with artificial. Fourth advantage: according to recent research, adding lemon to meals can contribute to less weight gain. Fifth advantage: lemon exhibits anti-aging properties as it is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, the latter present in various fruits, vegetables, and plants, with recognized health benefits. Polyphenols have the ability to reduce inflammation, prevent disease, and improve quality of life. A recent study conducted in March 2019, although carried out on animals, provides surprising results on the effects of lemon polyphenols on aging, motor activity, and cognitive functions, among other aspects. This study revealed that the intake of polyphenols present in lemon prolonged life expectancy by approximately 3 weeks and delayed indicators related to aging. Although initially conducted in animals, these results suggest possible similar benefits in humans, as is common in many scientific studies. Sixth advantage: potential anti-cancer effect. I'm not suggesting that drinking lemon water is a curative treatment for cancer. That's not what I'm saying. However, it can be considered a valuable nutritional supplement that you can incorporate into your diet to protect yourself or help prevent various types of tumors. Components of lemon for cancer prevention. I was surprised to discover the wide range of elements that lemon contains. Some of its components are presented here, but there are many more substances that are still being studied for their possible therapeutic effects. These components include large amounts of water, fiber, magnesium, and zinc, as we already mentioned. Additionally, lemon is beneficial for eye health due to its sodium, potassium, calcium, and even iron content. It also contains several B-complex vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, folic acid, as well as vitamins A, C, and E, the latter 3 essential for eye health. Seventh advantage: minimizes the formation of kidney stones. Look at the stones that commonly develop in the kidneys, composed mainly of calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate. What's going on? Lemon contains citric acid, which, when metabolized in our body, becomes citrate. This citrate binds to calcium, thus preventing the formation of stones or stones in the kidneys. In addition, citrate raises the pH of urine, alkalinizing it and preventing the creation of other types of stones, such as uric acid stones. Now you understand that lemon provides citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones or the formation of stones in the kidneys. In fact, people prone to kidney stones often have low citrate levels. Eighth advantage, lemon water is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant with anti-aging properties. As we age, our body's cells generate free radicals and oxidant molecules as part of their normal functioning, accumulating over time. These oxidizing molecules, in the end, can cause us damage and accelerate the aging process. The antioxidants present in lemon, such as vitamin C, counteract the action of these harmful molecules, helping us prevent diseases and protecting us from premature. Ninth advantage, water with lemon increases the regular absorption of iron up to 5 times, which is highly beneficial for those who suffer from anemia or follow a vegetarian diet. The absorption of iron from plant sources tends to be less efficient than that of iron present in meat. However, if you consume lemon water before meals or add lemon juice to your food, the citric acid and high amount of vitamin C in lemon will facilitate greater iron extraction from each meal. 10th advantage, consuming lemon water has the potential to improve digestion, which is especially beneficial for those people who experience difficulty digesting food and often end up with stomach bloating or excess gas after eating. 11th advantage, consumption of water with lemon contributes to hydration, thanks to the water content present in the mixture. By adding lemon to water, we provide additional nutrients and a more pleasant taste, which can be stimulating for some people, encouraging them to consume more water. Maintaining adequate hydration is essential for the proper functioning of the body, considering that all reactions in the body take place in a watery environment. Since our body is made up of 70% water, water intake also stimulates diuresis, promoting the elimination of toxins through urine. 12th advantage, it exhibits an astringent or anti-diarrheal function, which implies that it helps reduce the humidity of feces. This effect may be particularly beneficial in cases of gastroenteritis with diarrhea, or for those prone to liquid, soft, or semi-solid stools, thus preventing unnecessary loss of water with stools. In addition, it has anti-diarrheal properties, promoting intestinal mobility and improving the evacuation pattern. Conclusion: lemon is shown to be highly beneficial for balancing stool consistency, relieving intestinal inflammation, and regulating the normal evacuation pattern. Its contribution to healthy intestinal function is evident, and the last benefit of lemon water lies in its phytonutrients. These compounds, still under investigation due to their wide range of therapeutic effects, have been shown to possess venotonic and vasculoprotective properties. Consequently, they could be useful in the treatment of conditions resulting from poor circulation, such as lymphedema, hemorrhoids, varicose veins in the legs, and even spider veins in the feet and ankles. Phytonutrients also help reduce capillary fragility, strengthening blood vessels, which can be beneficial in cases of bleeding gums. If you find this information useful, I would greatly appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and share this knowledge with those who you think may benefit. I sincerely hope that this information has been useful, and I will see you in future videos. For merchandise, please see the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.